Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low GPU usage in games. So a low GPU usage percentage means that your GPU isn't being fully utilized, which prevents you from getting the best possible gaming experience. So in order to fix this, you need to open the control panel. So click on the search bar and search for control panel option and open it. Now from here, go to power options. Click on Power Options. Here, select Change Plan Settings and under High Performance, then select Change Advanced Power Setting. Then here, make sure that High Performance is selected. Save it and open your settings on your device. Here, search for Graphics Settings and open it. And make sure that the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. And also don't forget to set the game to high performance. Find the game in the list, open it, then select options and make sure that the high performance option is selected. Then select save again to confirm. And if these steps do not work, try increasing the graphics settings within the game itself. Increase the quality settings to increase the GPU usage. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.